The hidden power of a common element. Salt is one of the most ubiquitous substances on Earth. We use it daily in cooking, but its significance extends far beyond mere seasoning. Across centuries and civilizations, salt has played a pivotal role in religious rituals, purification practices, and even economic systems. But did you know that salt also possesses metaphysical properties capable of transforming energy and enhancing spiritual well-being? In this exploration, we will uncover the ancient wisdom surrounding salt, its scientific benefits, and practical applications in modern life. We will also delve into fascinating stories of how salt has been revered as a sacred element across cultures. Part 1. Salt in Ancient Civilizations and Spiritual Practices. 1.1 The value of salt in history. 1. In ancient Egypt, salt was essential for mummification, symbolizing preservation and the afterlife. 2. Roman soldiers were sometimes paid in salt, giving rise to the word salary. 3. In medieval Europe, entire economies were built around salt trade routes, and taxation on salt led to social unrest, including the French Revolution. 1.2 Salt in religious and spiritual traditions. 1. Christianity. Mentioned over 40 times in the Bible, salt was used for purification and as a covenant with God. 2. Hinduism. Salt is an essential part of puja ceremonies, symbolizing purification and balance. 3. Buddhism. Salt is believed to repel evil spirits, and in Japan, sumo wrestlers throw salt into the ring for spiritual cleansing. 1.3 Salt as a protective and purifying agent. 1. In European folklore, salt was sprinkled at doorways to ward off negative energy. 2. Salt lines were drawn around homes in ancient civilizations to create invisible shields against malevolent forces. 3. In traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, salt is considered a yang substance that tonifies the kidneys and helps dissolve stagnation. Part 2. The science behind salt's energy transforming properties. 2.1 Sacred geometry in salt crystals. 1. Under a microscope, salt crystals exhibit perfect symmetry, reflecting patterns found in sacred geometry. 2. This structured formation is believed to channel divine energy, a concept recognized in various esoteric traditions. 2.2 Negative ions and their effects on mood. 1. Have you ever noticed how refreshing it feels near the ocean or after a thunderstorm? 1. This is due to the presence of negative ions. 2. When salt breaks down, it releases negative ions, which have been scientifically proven to boost serotonin levels and reduce stress. 3. Himalayan salt lamps function by generating negative ions, purifying the air, and creating a calming environment. Part 3. Practical applications. Using salt to cleanse energy. 3.1 The Saltwater Energy Cleansing Method Step-by-Step Guide. 1. Take a clear glass and fill 2/3 of it with sea salt. 2. Add water until the glass is full. 3. Place the glass in an area of your home where you feel negative energy lingers. 4. Leave it undisturbed for 24 hours. 5. Observe the water. If it remains clear, the energy has been cleansed. 5. If murky, repeat the process every 24-48 hours. 3.2 Salt baths and scrubs for personal purification. 1. Mix sea salt with a carrier oil like coconut or olive oil to create a purifying body scrub. 2. Add Himalayan salt to your bath to detoxify your body and clear negative energy. 3.3 Creating a salt altar for meditation. 1. Place a bowl of salt on your meditation altar as a symbol of clarity and purification. 2. Use a Himalayan salt lamp in your meditation space to enhance focus and spiritual grounding. Part 4. Stories of salt's power in action. 4.1 The Salt Ritual of the Samurai. 1. Japanese warriors performed salt purification rituals before battle to ward off bad luck and ensure victory. 4.2 The Legend of the Salt Caravan. 1. In ancient Mali, salt was more valuable than gold, and traders traveled thousands of miles through the Sahara to transport it, believing it carried the blessings of the desert gods. 4.3 A modern story. How one family transformed their home's energy. 1. A woman struggling with constant misfortune placed salt water glasses in different corners of her home. 1. Within a few weeks, she noticed improvements in her well-being and family harmony. Embracing the wisdom of salt in everyday life. Salt is more than just a kitchen staple. It is a symbol of purity, preservation, and transformation. By incorporating salt into our spiritual practices, we can harness its ancient power to cleanse energy, protect against negativity, and create a more balanced environment. Try the salt energy cleansing method and observe the changes in your space and mindset. Have you ever experienced the transformative power of salt? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. By respecting and utilizing the profound legacy of salt, we tap into a timeless source of healing and protection. Whether through historical traditions or scientific validation, salt remains a powerful ally in our journey toward inner peace and enlightenment.